trellis keeps tomatoes off the ground, protecting them from pests and diseases. It can also boost the plant's sun exposure and air circulation, which gives you more tomatoes at harvest. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to trellis your tomatoes. First, make sure your plants are getting enough air. Use pruning shears to trim the leaves growing along the bottom of the tomato plant. Next, install the trellis by pushing the stakes into the soil next to the plant's main stem. Bear down on the trellis to make sure it is secure. Finally, tie your tomato plant to the trellis using pieces of thin rope or twine. Tie the plant in several places, leaving an inch or two of space between ties. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.